Hello everyone, let's see what is the truth about someone. What is the truth about someone? Time for a nap and truth be told. Deep knowing, and the truth about somebody is that person never understood your perspective. And they thought that you would do nothing. They thought you to be somebody who is so open-minded, is so liberal, is so like you're operating from a so higher space that whatever somebody can do to you and you will say nothing about it because you always see the highest perspective of things. And somebody did something, or you just they never knew about the consequences of whatever they are doing. So I'm choking like when I'm speaking. It's like so they felt like you will do nothing. Why? It's like, yeah, you have to be very blunt. They felt like you will do nothing. Like you have the ability to hold things for a very long time. You have the ability to, like, they were holding back all whatever their plans were so that you do whatever you wanted to do, and then this person would arrange something about their marriage and all these things. So they thought that you have a greater purpose, or you have a great, grand perspective about everything, and you will be like doing your work, and this person will be doing whatever they have to do, and there will be a connection going on. So they actively tried to postpone things, or they waited for you to respond about every situation. So whatever you said or whatever you did in a situation, they acted that way. Like, yes, this is what it is. And they were not coming towards you, they were not so serious about whatever it is. So they feel like you will be taking decisions and you will be finalizing things, only then I will move. To the sea, come to there serendipity and chaos and conflict. So I feel like whatever is this drama happening in your life according to the situation, or in this situation, is because that there was a misconception or there was a misunderstanding about the situation, which was about your career or about your life. The kind of person that you are. Somebody thought you to be some, like, they were waiting, or they were very submissive, or they felt like, okay, whatever you will do, I will be there behind the scenes, and you will be doing everything, and I will be waiting, or I will be just. Should you trust this drama? God is telling you to forget about it. Forget about it and do your work. And get rid of all the mind games and everything, whatever has happened. Just do your work, make yourself seen for whatever you are doing, finish your responsibility, and just be relaxed. Don't even think about this partnership, this person, because they are the kind of person you will never understand. They always speak something else, they do something else. God knows it was their own benefit or your benefit, but I mostly feel this is a person who is extremely manipulative. This is a person who kind of delayed, because of this person you delayed many things, and they are trying to show that they delayed many things. Now God is talking to you and telling you, just forget about these all dramatic things and focus on your present life, focus on your reality. Just don't focus on this person as such. So I think once you commit to your work, or once you come to the right understanding of what you have to do in your life, what you really want to do, things will be arranged. Like you will have either another partner, I don't know, any other relationship, or something will be done. Like you will be completely done with something. I don't know. Yeah.